Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Robinhood account and enable secure login alerts. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once the installation is complete. Tap Sign Up to start creating your account. Input your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Set a secure password that meets the app's security requirements. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Robinhood. Follow the link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the app and age a few questions for identity verification. Provide your social security number, date of birth, and address as required. Review and accept Robinhood's terms of service. Next, link your bank account by entering your banking details. Choose to deposit funds for trading by selecting either instant deposit or standard deposit. Complete the process, and your Robinhood account will be ready for use. Now, to enable secure login alerts, go to the Account tab in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Security. Find the option for Login Alerts. Toggle on the setting to receive alerts whenever you're. Choose your preferred method of receiving notifications, such as via email or push notifications. Save the changes to ensure your account is secure. You are now ready to start trading on Robinhood with added security measures in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.